Hey YouTube, today we're going to be taking a look at this amiibo. Well, that's not really with the main thing. The thing is, the base is broken. As you can see here, the NFC chip is right here. So, this is the NFC chip. The top is kind of sticky. Well, how this happened is, I'm like grabbing my Kirby amiibo, and then I noticed that I was like kind of broken. So I decided to take it off, and then I saw this thing inside, and nothing inside the base. So that's it for this little quick video. See you all in the next one.